squeaky tripod and squeaky pants. There's a little bit of wind, I think, there.
Oh, it's less than yesterday anyway.
The wave.
Say hello.
Hello. We have to somehow catch it.
Maybe today you're gonna catch one. Maybe the fish will come out together with the sun. Huh?
I think I know it's grill flats. It's grill places. No? So tired. So if you pop out there, when you're gonna go that way, check if there's any there.
Yeah, I think that's the reason why it's called grill. What?
I don't know, flats. Something.
Huh?
That's the spot for me, so.
This is the place where we're gonna make fire and we're gonna have lunch today here in this place. Just there's some wood here, but I think I'm gonna look for some more. It's really cold. I think you can see my nose started to get red. My hands are freezing. I have gloves, but I still feel very cold and I'm wearing I think 3 layers. But this place is very beautiful and I think it was a good idea to come here today. It's been a few days without sunlight in Sweden this month. Lots of people are talking about it because it was the first time since many years we didn't have a very dark winter, especially this month, December. So yeah, lots of people are talking about it. It's been a very dark month and I already started to notice in my mood to not have sunlight. It really affects me. And today, this beautiful day, I already can feel the difference, how I'm feeling, the difference in my mood. I'm feeling much better. So this place is very nice. There are lots of spots where you can make barbecue, make fire. I'm not sure if you can camping here. I think so, because here in Sweden you can you can camp and mostly everywhere if it's not a private land. So this is a natural reserve here in Sweden. We are not so far from Stockholm, and it was a very good idea to leave home today and enjoy this beautiful day. So let's go for a walk. So we've got some updates about our life here in Sweden, and first thing is our personal number is ready. We received our personal number and we are so happy because this is gonna make our life much easier now. So it took us about 6 weeks and to receive it, and next step for me is to open a bank account. So in order to open a bank account, I need to have an ID card here in Sweden, and that's what I'm applying for at the moment. I'm still waiting for my residence card as a family member, and I think it will take a little bit longer. I'm also still looking for a job. Even I don't have my residence card, I'm allowed to work in Sweden because I have an application going on, and I'm married to European. So they told me at the immigration that I'm able to work. I just have to prove that I have an application. But the thing is, here in Sweden it's not very easy to find a job, even simple jobs. I've been looking for anything, like to work in a cafe, restaurants, hotels, anywhere, shops, but or you need to speak Swedish, or there's not much opportunity. The market here is not that so great. So if you're planning to come to Sweden, I would advise you find something before, or be aware that it's going to be a little bit harder in this point. And here in Sweden, everything is difficult if you don't have your documents, especially this personal number. If you don't have it, your life is so difficult, you can't do anything. But after you have it, it's fine. You can live a normal life and everything is easy. But it takes time. We are here for about seven weeks now, and we got our personal number. And so now we can buy a car. We are using my husband's company car at the moment, but we are looking to buy our own car, and now that we have our personal number, we can buy one. Just started to walk. I followed the trail and I end up here. This place is amazing. No fish?
No fish, eat sausages.
Did you take from that?
Yeah, well,
Think it will be fine, this one? Or should...
what you gonna cook? Hog roast? Whole pig?
I want to be warm.
Yeah, you wanna warm the whole forest. There'll be some left. We're not gonna use all of them. Can leave
Yeah.
some here. It's too windy there to fish. let me know when they catch something. I don't think they will, but it's a huge lake, so the fish can be anywhere.
They know that here the border
Huh?
maybe.
I don't know, maybe they're gonna change the lures. Okay, if they catch something,